Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we are also going to talk about one strong and one weak stock for tomorrow's trading session, that is going to be April 8th, 2024. Coming to our previous video where we discussed about Adani Ports buy, wherein I clearly told that if in case this particular trend line is broken, this trend line crosses the 38.2 levels, and if it is broken downwards, then we will avoid the stock for buy side. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. It broke the trend line and continued to go down. What do we see now? We see a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. A breakout is done, a retest is done, and an attempt to go up is done. See, this is the breakout. If you can see it clearly, this is your breakout, a retest, and an upward momentum. At this level, even people who had has stop losses at the right shoulder have exited. Now, good possibility that it can continue upwards. Is it today's buy stock? The answer is no. It is not today's buy stock. We also see that from the recent bottom to the top, it has come and touched the 61.8 level. Could not give any closing there, but it continued to go upwards from there. This is the last retracement level. If there is a candle closing below that, then we would look for this stock in sell side, not in buy side. Coming to weak stock, we discussed about Infi to be weak. We discussed multiple reasons. We have seen first candle itself straight down, then there was some retracement, and again there was a fall. What do we see now? If I'm drawing a trend line like this from this area, see this support area, it touched once, twice, thrice, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time there was an attempt, it went down. A candle closed there, but again there was a upward movement. Seventh time there is a good possibility that breaks this and continues to this target, and I had given another target. You can refer the previous video for the target, which is close to 1465 area, friend. And how did we come to that number? We came to that number with Fibo trend based extension. If you are really looking for learning, go watch the video as to how we got to this particular target. Coming to Nifty, Bank Nifty. Before that, let me tell you, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you are learning something from the video. That way others will also get to know about the video, and they will also get learnings from my experiences and trades. Coming straight to the point, Nifty gave a gap down and continuously there was a sideways. Finally there was a uptrend towards last half an hour. Now if I am drawing a Fibo from recent bottom, here is here to the top, we see that Nifty had come to 61.8 levels like this here, this area. Did it sustain or did it close a candle here? The answer is no, and then it continued to go upwards. What is the next target? Next target is this zone, which is also almost the all-time high, friends, this area. Okay, this would be the next target. Good possibility that it will retrace here and then continue going up. That's when we would have a good trade with a small stop loss and a good upward target. We would draw this Fibo till whatever is the top, and when there is a retracement, that's when we would enter at 23.6 or 38.2 depending upon the candles that are formed at that particular time. Coming to when will we sell? For selling, friends, is simple. We have to give a closing below 61.8. That's when we would look for selling. Now if in case it gives a gap up, good possibility it is going to give a gap up because globally we are strong. Coming to gap up situation, what is going to happen is selling side, if in case it hits yesterday's high, okay, continues to go down, and if it goes below yesterday's low, which is here, okay, and then it retraces, what are the things that we see? We will see that it has crossed the 61.8 levels. We see that it has crossed yesterday's high, yesterday's low, and then retraced. Good possibility of a good downward momentum in that case. But what we are looking for? We are looking for a downtrend which should cross 61.8, retest 61.8 is also previous day's low, and then is what we will look for selling. Until then we are bullish on the market. We are not looking for any sell side trades, friends. Yes, people may think that we are losing a big momentum here. That's okay, but this momentum will actually give you money when you are buying puts. This momentum may not give you so much money when compared to this one. Just keep that in mind. Coming to Bank Nifty trend almost all-time high is reached. Now if I'm drawing a Fibo from recent bottom to top, again we are looking for only buy side. This is a good area for buy because there are multiple attempts that are already made, and we also see a proper support zone here. See, look at this area. From here is what it came down. Second time from the same level it came down. Third time from the same level it came down. Finally it broke it. It took a retest and continued its journey upwards. So if it takes a retest till 38.2 or till 23.6, we are looking for buy for upward targets only. We will look for Fibonacci trend based extension again for upward targets when there is a good retracement. Until that, we are going to plan on 1:1.5 or 1:2 risk to reward ratio for upward targets only, friends. Here also same thing, sell, same Fibo, same 61.8, yesterday's high, yesterday's low broken, and there is a retest. That's when we will be targeting sell side for this area. First target will be this area, next target will be below that here, first target here, second target here, and final target would be this area. And if in case it is falling fast, friends, then this can also go and meet this area as target. Keep that in mind. This is going to happen only if we see that the yesterday's low is broken and if it retests. Otherwise, we are looking for buy side only. Coming to strong and weak stocks, we are looking at NTPC to be strong for multiple reasons. See, from the recent bottom, if I consider, see, this is the recent bottom where it made a double bottom and it continued to go up. See, if I'm drawing this Fibo from the bottom to top, we see that it has retested for 50% once, twice, thrice. It has also made a proper triple bottom, and there is a possibility of a breakout which has not yet happened. So if in case there is a proper breakout and a sustain or a retest, that's when we can enter here for first target this high, second target will be the high. That's how we would be trading in NTPC for buy side. Coming to weakness is something that we are seeing in HUL. We already spoke about it. For this particular target on 5th, what happened is it gave a nice little pattern. I want you to name the pattern, say HUL followed by the name of the pattern, so that I understand if you are following me. And there was also a breakdown, a proper retest at this area. There is a good support zone. So once it crosses this area, you can quickly see this target and this target. Are we going to look for targets like this area? The answer is yes. There is a good possibility of these targets also. Okay, that's how we'll be trading in NTPC. When will we avoid NTPC? For that, we'll draw a Fibo from the recent top to bottom. Okay, this has come to 50% twice or thrice, but it has never come to 61.8. So if in case there is a candle closing above this area, which is 2289.2, that's when we would go ahead and ignore for sell. We would not look for buy, but we would ignore for sell in that case, friends. Otherwise, these are the multiple reasons with which we would be selling HUL. That's all in this video, friends. If you have liked the video, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you have still not subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable day.